RDDT stock tomorrow. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end for a surprise, and also to find out whether I'm buying or not. Reddit stock. Reddit Incorporated stock sitting at 46.66. It's 2% down Friday. Last week overall's performance was 2% up, which is solid. And honestly, I'm looking for potential upside moves. But the thing is that I'm not really going to put a buy here unless the price gives me the rules. And what are the rules? It's a simple mitigation of the zone, right? I'm going to refine this like that. So it needs to tap inside a zone, mitigate it, and then give me a double break so then I can take it higher, you know? It's simple as that. So mitigation needs to happen and also a double break. When that happens, then I'm pulling the trigger and I'm good to go. It's not financial advice. For a free course, obviously check the first link in the description. It's everything I've learned over the last 4 years after spending thousands of dollars and more importantly, thousands of hours on courses and stuff. Here are the reviews so you can know it's good, and I'll see you in the next video. 100% 5-star reviews.